Hello, over here, guys. Nice to first of all meet you. I'm Amar Jamshed, as you can see my name over here. So today I'm going to teach you the GitHub basics for a data scientist and what is essential for a data scientist to know. GitHub normally is a tool used by software developers and programmers for making applications, saving all the code over here like this, and so they can make an application again with the same code, or basically exchange code with other people on the same platform, because GitHub gives free storage to all codes, because coding is a very heavy tool, as we see. This is lame, but I'll show you more better visualizations as well. So this one's loading. So basically, look, the larger the amount of code you write, the longer it takes to load. So yeah, like this is Python code on Jupyter Notebook. It's one of the platforms used to write Python code, where you can save it in the form of a notebook. Basically, we say notebook because you can read it pretty much like a physical notebook on a computer instead. Okay, so what data scientists mainly need to know here is that, first of all, that you can create repositories where you can save codes of a particular nature. Like example, Beautiful Soup is one of the libraries used in Python for web crawling, and have created a repository just for coding done with this library. Right now it's only one coding piece, but I will add more as well with time, like here. Okay, and how you create a repository is like this. Go here, repository, then new, and you give a repository a name, a description. And if you want to make it public, mean anyone can see what you've written and you can share your projects with everyone. Normally this is a better approach, and you can write just a normal Word document kind of file, where you can just describe what kind of coding you've done, which will be also shown on the description of it when people are clicking on the main interface. Or you can import a repository from another existing platform where you've saved a repository which is similar to GitHub, where you've saved it, and you can just directly just put the link and import it from there. That's too much detail, so I won't go. So I'm just teaching you how it's done here. Okay, so this is how we create a repository. And other than that, we can also go to other users. Example, I'll take you to one of the people I follow, and we can sometimes fork, like basically import their work onto our profile and show it as ours as well, but import it with their permission. Example, this is Carol Valencia, just a random person I follow, but she's got good work. She's a software developer from Brazil. Example, I go on her platform, and this is one of her works. She's basically made a GIF over here. She's actually programmed it, so I can actually either download it from here, or I can fork it, where I can show it, where I can showcase it on my profile too. I'll just write import it. So now see, it's on my platform too, so people can come to my profile and access it from here, but the credit with the work is hers. Just like I did it, I imported her work. People can also come to your profile and import your work onto their profile, because this way the more forks you get, the more ranking you get on GitHub as well. And with more ranking, sometimes companies see your GitHub profile and they just immediately hire you, and you also get paid. When companies are forking your work, you also get paid by GitHub for it. And that's when you reach a certain amount of forks, I think hundreds or 200s, then GitHub starts paying you as well. So otherwise, I use it to save all my work, so I can reuse it later at a certain time and edit it, instead of writing everything from scratch. And I don't want to save all of this stuff on my computer because it will take a lot of space, so I save it all on GitHub. I hope this short video helps you understand it better, and if you have anything else to contribute, please put it in the comments. Other than that, see you again, and please do subscribe. Thank you.